Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 16th day of January 2022. I'm here to tell you and talk to you all about oil stocks and how this particular commodity is going to continue to break out. The massive strength that is being seen on the chart lets me know that. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I give you all price predictions without the confusion. I simply pay attention to the money. I don't care about anything else. Price is the only thing that everyone is worried about. So I'm going to show you about why this VanEck Oil Services ETF is still bullish. I did a video all the way back in March of last year, and this price prediction is still here. Yeah, I didn't get rid of it. You can actually still listen to the video in my playlist. So go, after you get done looking at this video, go listen to what I said back in March regarding this ETF. Now, if you guys appreciate my price predictions, my videos, my content, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. One thing you will not get here is a whole lot of excitement and FUD and FOMO. I simply look at charts and price and nothing else. If you all appreciate that, join the team, join the community. Now, let me show you from the charts perspective from this oil ETF as to why I'm still looking for the price to go up. Now, first things first, I did the video back on March the 1st of 2021, and you all can see right here that this market in this oil ETF, it did not fall lower than what my expectations were. As long as the price in this ETF was able to hold $165, give or take, I was still going to be bullish into the market. Now, you can see it. There were times to where the market tried to break $165. It did. It did on two occasions. It tried it back in April of last year, and then it tried again in August of last year. And then it tried again around 175 twice back in November and December. This gives us indications that buyers are willing to prop up this oil ETF. They was willing to do that. And money talks. Don't forget that. And noise walks. Money talks. The money was telling us all the way back of last year that they was willing to prop up the price in this oil ETF at $175. Boom. That pretty much is the dead giveaway as to why this price in this oil ETF is still showing us strength. So now we are still here. Here we are trading around $230. So if we were to take some profitability out the market now, we could. That would give us 10.75% profitability. Now check this out though. Okay, let me push this back because I want to show you something else. Not only can we see where the sellers are, the buyers are at, we can also see where the sellers are at, right? Back in October, the market could not break above $230. It couldn't do it. Even back in March timeframe, the market in this oil ETF could not break above $230. That's an issue, right? I wonder why it's an issue. Because like I said, the answers are already here. This is why the market in this oil ETF is having issues of breaking out right here. Back here in 2019, 2020 is acting as a lid, right? So that's why this market so far hasn't exceeded $230. That's why. Now, check this out. Let me show you on a 2 weeks time frame as to why I'm still bullish into this particular oil ETF, right? So look at this. You see this weekly chart right there, 2 weeks price bar right there? Yeah, this tells me that this market is still trying to go up. Okay. Now, let's be careful because back in May time frame of last year, we still got rejected around 250. So we might want to nibble and take some more profitability out the market right there. That gives us 20%. That's a pretty good deal for us to see this oil ETF go up to hit that 250. That's the first area. Okay, will be for the market to come in around at 250. Based on what happened the last 2 weeks, that doesn't look like it's going to be an issue. Okay, the second area, I'm still looking around 260, 275. I'm still looking at that. Yeah, I still think the market has enough juice, especially in the long term, to go there to that 260, 275 area. I still think that's playable. Now, it may not happen tomorrow. Okay, it may not happen in 2 weeks, it may not happen in 3 weeks, But from a long term, now when I say long term, I'm talking about from a monthly perspective. My definition of long term is a couple of months. It's not 15,000 years. No, just a couple of months, 3, 6, maybe 9 months, right? Now, this is it on a weekly. You guys can tell how strong this market in this oil ETF really is. The answers are already here. We're not here to dictate or alter or paint what we want to see. That's not our job. That's not our function. We simply come in and look if there's an opportunity. They can tell us what they're trying to do with the market. That's when we come in and make a play. If you don't see a play, you don't participate. And clearly, these hedge funds, these pension funds, whoever controls this market is telling us, I'm trying to lift up this price in this oil ETF. What more can I show you? Because we need to understand when we look at price charts, this is actually the doing of the market. It doesn't lie. This is it. This is everyone's overall consensus as to what they thought the value of oil was at any given moment. So back here in 2014, the overall market consensus was that this oil ETF was worth $1,117. Yes. But you can see what the overall consensus has been since then. Obviously, the market is valuing this same ETF a lot cheaper. Yes. But generally, when you zoom in closer, they're also telling us that they value it a little bit more because they're trying to uplift this price. Okay. So, am I going to change my price prediction? No, I'm not. I still look at 250 though. I really want to see the market on strength break 250 to the upside, because if so, then 260, 275 is not going to be an issue for us to see the market go. So we need to keep our eyes open on that to see price break 250, because if so, we understand that this market is still telling us that it wants to go up in price. Okay. Now that's about it. I'm done. I'm not here to waste your time. I'm not here to give you any confusion. I'm simply here to show you the plays on the chart as to what we're expecting the market to do. And I'm not going to change it just yet. So now it's your turn. What do you think about oil as a commodity? I mean, do you think the value is going to continue to increase, or do you think we're just going to continue to trade sideways, or do you think we're going to break out? Drop your comment real quick and tell everyone where you think the market in oil is going to go. You guys have heard, you guys have seen what my thoughts are. Now I want to read what your thoughts are. Give me your price prediction, your price target for this oil ETF OIH. And I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.